Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be giving you a couple of tips and tricks on how to update your home on a budget. These are not necessarily upgrades that you may want to do if you're trying to sell your home. Some of them are, some of them are not. But if you are living in your home and you genuinely just want it to look better and give it an upgrade and give it more of an updated feel, regardless of what your style are, these are going to be some good tips for you. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the first one. Is going to be obvious. Everybody knows painting. So painting is a great way to update your home on a budget. There is some budget friendly paint and there are some that are a little bit more expensive. It just depends on your budget, whether you're looking to paint your bedroom, paint your exterior. Now painting the exterior is going to get a little bit more pricey if you're having somebody else do it, but if you're just DIYing it and painting the outside or painting the inside, this is a great way to update your home and make it look fresh and brand new. Another one would be to change fixtures. Now a lot of people have it in their head that fixtures are just super expensive, and yes, you can buy $500 chandeliers and $1,000 light fixture. There are some other cost efficient ones that are more budget friendly, like on Amazon. Even Etsy has some that aren't too bad. So yeah, you can definitely change, your ceiling fans for a low price. You can change the door knobs around the house. You can change the knobs on your cabinets. Like some of the knobs that I'm getting from my kitchen cabinets, it's actually $21 for 10 of them. So that is a really good cost efficient way to be able to upgrade your home and just give it a new fresh new look. This is one of the options that I was talking about, and I was mentioning that it may not be something you want to do if you're looking to sell your home and get the most money, get the biggest bang for your buck. But if you're already living in your home and it's just something that you want to look at, or you're just looking for something that's temporary until you're able to afford what you want, then peel and stick everything. I will always recommend peel and stick everything. Even if you do it right, peel and stick can last for a very long time. There's peel and stick flooring that you can do. If you have very level flooring, you can put it right on top of your flooring. If not, then there may be some other steps that you may need to take, and that will obviously cost more. But if you're just looking for something cheap, there's like peel and stick wallpaper, so you don't have to deal with the pasting and how regular wallpaper can get really expensive. Amazon and Etsy, they have some really good options and cute patterns no matter what your style is for peel and stick. There's peel and stick backsplash, like tiles. You can tile your bathroom. I wouldn't tile your shower, but like the actual them behind the mirror. Definitely look for it. And if you're doing something that's maybe like a peel and stick wood plank and you want to put it on the wall or something like that, another good thing is to maybe rent out a staple gun or a nail gun and do it that way so that it'll last a little bit longer, or maybe adding an extra adhesive. Just depends on what you're looking for and how long you want it to last. Another good cheaper option, it's not the cheapest option, but it's a cheaper option, is adding trim, crown molding, or wainscot paneling. I cannot pronounce that word to save my life, but paneling, like board and batten, like the old school one. I can't remember all the names of them, but anything like that is on the cheaper side. It's a cheaper upgrade, and it will definitely give your whole room a whole new look, depending on if you're going for like an older look or if you're trying to go for more modern, contemporary. You can do whatever you want, whichever style you want. All you have to do is, there's plenty of YouTube tutorials, there's plenty of Pinterest tutorials, so that's a good option to upgrade your home. Another thing is upgrading your stairs. This is something that I will be doing. So like if you guys have been following me, you saw that I upgraded my stairs from looking more, it was giving more farmhouse vibes, and that's just really not my style, and I was going for more modern, contemporary type of style. So I ended up gel staining them black at the top and then painting them white underneath. And that is something that you can do, is simply painting, sanding down, painting your stairs, or replacing the tread that's on the stairs. Replacing the tread is a little bit more expensive, but you can also, and a lot of people don't know this, you can easy and cheaply add a rug to your stairs. Now it does get kind of weird and hard, and you have to figure out how to cut the rug if you don't buy a custom rug. Obviously that's for your stairs. If you do have landings like how I do, so it does get a little weird, but if you just have straight upstairs, this is probably like really easy. You can go anywhere and find a rug that you like, that that fits your stairs. So maybe like a 2 or 3 feet by 12 feet. You can put that on the stairs, and you can literally rent a nail gun from Home Depot and update your stairs just like that. Or you can paint them. You can even put peel and stick on your stairs. So just updating them so that when you walk into the room or you're walking into that area, it's like it looks like it's a brand new home. So that's like one of my favorite updates. And the last one that I'm going to give you guys today, of course there's like a whole long list of updates. I'm just going to give you my favorite ones, and the last one would be to landscape. Now if you feel like the outside of your home is just looking really dingy, or it's just not how that you want it to look, a lot of DIY landscaping, a lot of easy landscaping, there's so many videos that you can watch and tutorials that you can watch where you can update your outside. So whether it's planting new flowers or just digging up weeds, or you know, maybe doing some new grass, anything like that to update your home, that is a great update. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope I helped you a bit. Let me know in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.